AI will replace accountant. There will be no jobs for accountant. AI will replace all of us. Is this true? Today I'm going to talk about this topic, very interesting topic. Everybody is scared that what will happen for our jobs. So let's start the video now. Hello friends, I am Waseem Ahmed from Successful Journey, a motivational speaker, a public speaker, and career advisor. Today I am talking about a very important topic of AI, that how AI is going to, will AI replace us or not. In this 5 minutes of the video, you will decide your career and then you will decide your future action. So keep, watch this video till end and subscribe to my channel if you have not. Everybody is talking about AI, ChatGPT, and so many others AI tools that they will replace accountant. Let me tell you the truth, AI will not replace accountant, but accountants who do not use AI will be replaced. Yes, this is a wake-up call for all of us, unfortunately, especially for the accountant professionals in Saudi Arabia, UAE, Pakistan and India and around the world. In this video you will find that how AI is changing finance jobs, what task AI can do better than us, and how you can stay relevant in this AI driven era. So let's discuss now. AI today can do a lot of things which we take a lot of time. For example, they can analyze thousands of the transactions in a second. They can detect the fraud patterns, prepare financial reports, and they can even write audit summaries. Imagine how much time we take to do these tasks. Tools like ChatGPT and Copilot is performing these tasks for what normally CFOs and accountants do. So yes, AI can do tasks faster, cheaper, and more accurately than a human is doing. But remember one thing: AI does not understand context. It does not know why sales is dropped. It can identify, but it does not know. Only accountant knows the reason. It does not understand the story behind the numbers, and that is where you come in. Okay, so don't be afraid. Now let's see what AI cannot do. AI cannot replace judgments, ethics, and experience. When management asks, should we expend or hold the cash, that is not a machine decision. That is a strategic call. So here AI does not work. You have to take the decision. A human has to take the decision. AI can show data, but it cannot feel pressure, risk, and consequences. In finance, our values come from inside, not just data entry. So if you are still focusing on manual tasks, yes, your job is at risk. In fact, I would say at a very high risk. But if you focus on analysis, strategy, communication, and business impact, your value will multiply. How to stay relevant so we can survive? Here are the winning mindset, and you have to adopt these things. Don't compete with AI. Collaborate with it. Learn tools like ChatGPT, Power BI, Python, etc. They will really help you. Understand data visualization and storytelling. I've made a video on storytelling, what finance people do the mistakes. So just watch the video. Strengthen your leadership and presentation skills. This is very important. Whatever happens, how fast, how advanced AI come, but they cannot do these leadership and presentation skills. That's why I always prefer to use things like Toastmaster or improve your presentation skills. So next time if someone says AI will replace accountant, smile and say, no, AI will replace repetitive thinkers, not strategic thinkers. Stay curious, stay future ready, and keep upgrading your skills. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and share among those who are really scared about their professions, that have they chosen the correct profession or not. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.